Alright, we're gonna try out these wipers, all weather, universal, from TopStor. These are 22 inches and we're gonna try them out. Got instructions on the back. We're gonna see how these go on. It's winter, it's snowing. I have a long way to drive, so see what we can do. Flip that up, slide it right in. Alright, that was a very easy install. Got my old ones, came right off. New one went right on. Snap that down. Do the passenger side, then we'll see how they work. Okay, both went on very easy. Got the old blades. The old blades weren't horrible, but we'll see how these work and I'll let you know. Let's try out these wipers. And there you go. They clean the window, do what wipers should. Not much more you can say about a windshield wiper. Did a good job.